change has a reason. Baby, let it come.
Simplicity has become my norm. Less has become my more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys. If you're new here, you're interested in living the clutter-free, simple and minimal lifestyle, you will love this channel. Go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. I would love to have you here. All the oldies but goodies, I appreciate you for returning every week. God bless you. Let's continue the video.
I don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you guys back here. I'm always excited for a new video. As if you don't know, every new video comes Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So definitely click on that notification bell so that you don't miss out. Or just remember, Gladys is posting every week Saturday morning, 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So guys, for spring, I definitely wanted my home to reflect spring, and this is just the beginning of spring. So you will see some things that will be new, some things that will be different, but I wanted my rug to be something that would just like boom, spring is here. For those who know, I already had a brand new rug. I love that rug, but my husband and the kids were complaining that the rug was too wide and they couldn't, I guess, be themselves. So I sold the rug to a very dear friend of mine and purchased this brand new rug from Ross, and I love the coziness of this rug. But let's continue into the video. So what I'm doing right now is moving my furniture back because I had to mop the floor, sweep the floor. So just bringing back all my chairs and everything back here, and then now we are going to go ahead and decorate. You don't want to miss this video. You are going to love it. Let's continue. Hey guys, so I purchased this from the Dollar Tree, but I just didn't like the way it was flowing on the fireplace. I don't know, maybe I'm not too much of a color person, and pink is the least of my favorite colors. So I just took it off, and hopefully we'll put it back. But I'm gonna go ahead and add these floral stems that I got from Michael's. I love them. The yellow is so vibrant and it goes perfectly into that blue vase. It just looks super cute, especially when you look at it in person. Just the color just brings you so much joy and just reminds you of spring. And that's basically what spring is for me. Just colorful, all the colors are coming out, and just the cold is leaving us and we are entering into the summertime. So for my table decor, I wanted something that screams spring without being too overwhelming. So I definitely wanted something simple. So I got these floral stems here from Michael's, and I think they're so pretty. I love the little white coming out of it. The brown book is from, I think, Goodwill or Dollar Tree, and my candle is from IKEA, and it smells divine. For those who saw my little, what is it called, haul that I did, you will see that little bunny, and it was last year's bunny. I think it's super cute with his little pink nose. So I'm gonna go ahead now and clean up here and decorate this part of my house. Let's continue the video. If you're watching the video till this part of this video, please go ahead and comment spring down below. Guys, if you hear my kids, I'm sorry. They're making all sorts of noise. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my entry all cleaned out. It's very narrow and simple, and I don't like to have a lot of things. Sorry, the light in here is horrible because of that window right there. So the light is really bad, but hopefully you can pardon me for that one and keep watching the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the floor, and I mopped the floor, but I mopped it off camera because my procedure to mop the floor is a little bit too complicated for some people. I come with hot water and all these things. So I was like, yeah, you know what, I will do a different video for that. So I'm off the floor, but I didn't show you guys. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and decorate a table. I love me some Studio McGee lamp, but I cannot afford those. Even if I could, I'm not paying for it. It's a lot of money. So this lamp, I got it from Goodwill, and I was so shocked to see that lamp at Goodwill because of the quality of it. It just looks so beautiful. So as you saw earlier, I had put the candles. I wasn't feeling it by themselves. It was very neutral. It didn't have much color. I wanted to add something, so I brought the vase, and I'm going to add this pink pampas grass. I don't know if they're pink. In camera it doesn't show pink, but in real life it has like a light hint of rose on it. It looks super cute with the candle, and I thought this was a great like look for it. So I actually like this one.